What's up, guys? So today we're going to show you how to remove tree sap from a car. Apparently my girlfriend left her car sitting like underneath a tree for so long. It has like tree sap all over it and it's horrible. So I'm going to show you how it is right now. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So as you can see, that shit will not come off. And it's hard too. You don't want to damage the paint like that either. So she has it right there. Oh, that one's new. Right here, all over the window, on top over here too. The thing is horrible. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But yeah, so this is the before. We're about to wash it right now. Gonna wash it, you know, take all the pollen off. And then we're gonna head home and continue. Alright, so as you can see, we washed our car and dried it, but let me see where the sap is. Like little spots like this. See? So hopefully we can take all these fucking sap spots off today. Alright, so we're at the house now. So basically we tried everything, like rubbing compound and some other products, and it would just not come off. So I looked online and found that hand sanitizer is pretty good, and I'll show you guys how it works. So you pretty much like spray a little bit on there and just like rub it. And it should come off slowly.
It's dissolving.
As you can see, it's coming off pretty easy. And no, the hand sanitizer does not damage the paint. We're going to polish and wax it anyways, so it should be good. See, it comes off right off. Comes right off. As you can see, it's way better. There's still a little bit on there, but we're gonna take it off with the rubbing compound, or we can try with the hand sanitizer again. There it goes. But yeah, guys, that's how you remove the tree sap. We still have a long way to go, but we're getting it slowly but surely. And after that, like I said, we're gonna do some rubbing compound, and we're gonna use polish, and then some wax. And of course, these are little pads for the buffer, but it should be somewhere in there. But anyways, yeah, for first we're gonna remove all the tree sap and then go on from there. Alright, so we're done removing the sap, and that was pretty fast with the hand sanitizer. So now we're about to do the clay bar. So we're gonna clean the car and get it ready for rubbing compound and polish. Alright, so we just cleaned the hood and the fender and the door. You can tell the difference right away. Well, you can tell the difference when, like, whenever you touch the paint. It's so much smoother. And that's with just a clay bar. So we still have to put rubbing compound, polish it, and then wax it. But as you can see, it's looking way better now. Alright guys, so the next video is going to be us applying the rubbing compound and then polish, and then we're going to finalize it with some wax. So stay tuned. Alright, so we just got done, well, halfway done with the polish. We already clay barred it, put rubbing compound. So now we just applying polish on it. And I'm going to show you the process of this and see how it looks. We even did the headlights. We applied rubbing compound and polish. And they're looking way better too. Look how shiny the car is. And it doesn't even have wax yet. Let's go out here in the sun a little bit. See how it looks. Oh yeah, we did the taillights too. Wow, it looks way shinier. As you can see, we're still applying the polish to the car. Watch out. Coming through. And we did change the pad, of course. Forgot to tell you guys in the beginning of the video, but I did buy some different pads. It's like a foam pad. This one's for the compound. That one over there is for the polish, obviously. Polish foam pad. And this one's for the wax. I have another one over there. But yeah, just make sure whenever you do this, just have different pads for every application you put on the car. You can find these at Harbor Freight store. I think I bought them for like $5 or $6 each. Because if you go to AutoZone, they're about $10 to $15 dollars. And these were great. What's up guys? So I'm officially done with the car now. I just got done waxing it. It took me a little bit longer than I expected. That's because the tree sap was so old that it actually burnt the paint on the car. So I had to like color match the car, do some color correction. But the car looks great. I mean, it looks like it just came up from the showroom. So I'm gonna show you the car and let you guys be the judge. Alright guys, so here she is. All nice and shiny. Look at those taillights though. Man, it looks brand new. You can see that reflection. Oh yeah, I also did the headlights. It's a huge difference. I'm gonna show you where the tree set used to be at. I think there was a couple spots around here. Oh yeah, and the roof too. They're all gone on the roof now. Damn, that reflection though. But it was mainly over here in the back. There was like 5 or 10 of them in the trunk. They're all gone. Again, guys, this is with so what we did, we clay barred it. We put rubbing compound, polish, and wax, and your car's gonna be this shiny with a badass reflection on it. It's crazy. It's worth it. I mean, it's gonna take all day pretty much, but it's so worth it. Alright guys, so this completes the vlog on how to remove tree set and do some minor color correction. Alright, till next one.